Well, we hit it a little bit ago, but we have been moving to this house. And if you guys remember that groundbreaking video, then that groundbreaking video, it turned into this house. And it's a really nice house, and we're gonna just make some slime for 1,000 subscribers. And to get started, we have our glue here. And we're gonna pour some glue inside of our pot glue type things. Oliver's clear glue and I have white glue. Oh yeah. We're not gonna use all of it though, because if you guys don't know, I love slime. Oliver, do you color your glue? Yes. Okay. Now we have some food color in here. Here, pick a color. And you pick blue. Okay. I'm gonna do the yellow.
Yellow looks really cool in the clear. Blue is so cool.
Look at me, I feel like a million drops. I think that's a lot. Oh, we have a lot of glue. Look at how thick mine is. Oh my gosh. It's so
Mine just looks like
yours looks so cool.
Mine looks like regular glue.
This is so cool.
Just like adding.
Or should we activate it first?
Let's do.
We're gonna activate it first.
On baking soda. So we just use a tiny spoon. It's like a
Minty spoon.
Because we want to cheese. You get a free spoon.
We need some more of this big batch. Okay,
Now we do some context.
No, it's food! I wasn't paying attention and my spoon fell in the glue.
Rosie, no, cut that out.
It's okay.
Rosie's
People like Rosie. Rosie's hitting his spoon. Try to fish it out. Oh no.
Winston's glue. No. Yeah, with paper towel. Paper towel.
The glue is all over it. No!
This is paper towel. I got it. When you push it out.
Grab it!
Yeah.
Wow! It's on my hands! No! No!
There.
Pour and mix. Pour and mix. Hey, mine's kind of firming up there. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Contact solution needs a lot. I mean, clear glue needs a lot, and it's harder to activate. Perfect.
Well, it looks really cool.
Yeah, it looks really
And a reminder, don't use clear glue when you're making fluffy slime.
Yeah, don't put, just a tip, don't put clear glue in shaving cream because it'll just mess up the clear part. Whoa! Oh. Enough. Here, poured a lot. Soon I'm gonna have to start mixing it with my hands.
Yeah, and kneading it. Oh, it's still sticky? makes it not sticky? I see. Oh man, he just wrecked the bubble. It's sticky. Mine's sticky stuff.
It's super sticky. Now he's using his finger too.
Mine is getting used to my fingernails coming off.
Oops! It's a lot of slime here.
Hey, Rosie!
I've never made this
Rosie
much
came
slime
back.
before.
Hey, Rosie!
I've never made this much slime before. It's amazing.
Yeah, I haven't made this much.
We don't use a detergent like activator or like borax. We use, or like a borax solution. We use contact solution and baking
Soda.
soda.
Yeah.
And we think that works
Don't
the
think
best.
it's regular soda. Don't drink it.
We think it works the best. So if it's too sticky like Oliver's, you should add some more baking soda or contact solution. And if yours is like, if you're making like gel slime with water, and yours is like just like water glue, add some baking soda, and then it will turn into slime, jiggly slime. I learned that out at the Pumpkin Palooza, but it's the middle of winter and we're in the middle of a huge snowstorm. There's a big warming yesterday.
Even school is canceled. Yay!
Yay. It's a Monday and school is canceled.
Hmm?
It takes a while with this much slime.
Yeah.
Splody. Did you really have to touch that? Let me touch it. Hey, that is so not sticky. Oh my goodness.
It's not sticky for you. It's sticky to me.
See, look, it's super sticky to Oliver, but to me, it's overactivated. To me, it's like overactivated. Oh my goodness. It's very odd. And so, we are gonna be doing some add-ins. Woo! Yeah! Okay. Rosie loves add-ins. I don't know why, but Rosie loves it. Maybe some purple and some blue, right? Oh my gosh, purple and blue, it looks so cool. It looks like a galaxy.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, it's so glittery.
I know
Oh
why.
my gosh, it's like you can't even poke something. It's so glittery.
Oh, I'm making a big pocket full of glitter. When you're making slime
Give me this.
and you want to add food coloring, don't use food coloring at the end, because then it won't like go into the slime.
It'll
as good.
still work, but it won't go into slime as good. I'm gonna add these in. Let's just add them in.
Oh man.
Oh yay!
Yay.
Just go crazy.
Yeah, go crazy.
That feels so cool. It's like a super cool crunchy slime and it looks so cool too. It's like a bubble gum. It's like a birthday cake slime. Oh my gosh, when you squish this slime, it's like crunchy. It's so birthday cake! Like so.
I'm a giant slime swirl.
No! The slime attacked us.
It didn't attack me, I'm holding mine. It's not even sticky. Good thing mine is not sticky anymore.
Well, that looks so cool.
Mine?
It's like a bubblegum birthday cake.
Mine
Like
looks
a birthday. It's like the yellow's the cake batter. And it's like fun. It's like funfetti birthday cake.
It's
gotta add a lot. That's a big slime right there. Ooh, those look cool with that. No! No! It's a big blob. It's supposed to be even. Oh. Hey, what are you doing there? It's a big pocket.
Hey! You added yellow. This is so heavy. My slime is really heavy. Oh, I found a bubble! Yay!
Oh, yay.
Let's take a minute. Woo! Oh! It looks so cool.
We're gonna do bubble time. Wow! That's a big bubble! And a green thing on the top. Oh, that's so cool. Now we're gonna do bubble bubble. And then we're going to mix some No! Yeah! When you squeeze it now. I can't see anything. And I'm gonna go like this.
I want you grab a little bit. This one?
Oh man. You grab a little bit. Then you go. Does this work? Okay. So, to make bubbles, you slime's like this. You grab like this. Pull it up. You flip it. That was a good one. I got this. So, who can make the bigger bubble?
It's probably what you listen. Listen, watch out.
Go! Here's one.
Yeah. Let's smash it. Oh man,
Ow.
all my beads are falling.
Should we make this?
Yes.
Wait, we gotta do the rainbows thing, right?
We need the line. And we'll yeah.
We're gonna start making like this. We're mixing them. And so, we should go, whoop.
Yeah.
Okay, or should I flip it and then should we flip it like, okay. We're flipping it. Now it's a big burrito of blue. Can't even see the yellow from where you're standing. We can from where we're standing. But we're gonna, you hold up that side up like this and I'll hold up this. Stretch, stretch. Oh,
We got green. It's a giant.
oh no, it is green. It is green. Green. It looks like mold.
Yeah.
The glitter and stuff. It's disgusting. It looks like moldy slime. This might help it look better. Okay, is that good?
Got this. Now we need to make a pocket.
No, we don't need to always make a pocket.
There you go. Let's do this. Do this. Grab this. And do that. We made a pocket.
Made a pocket.
We need to mix.
Oh, no! It's getting out!
Yeah. We didn't grab it. Grab it. You can grab glitter from the table.
Hey! It's, it's overactivated because of Oliver.
Yeah.
It's overactivated. That's all you get,
We just need to make it a sausage. Sausage.
It looks kind of disgusting with all this.
Yeah. No, pull.
Pull! Can you keep going?
No.
disgusting. We're gonna make it look cool on the top. But it's If you guys want to see some more slime videos, leave a comment down below and like this video if you like what we're doing today. And thanks for watching. Well, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.